Good morning, sir. Myself Samudranil Samanto. I'm from Kolaghat. আটকে আছে স্যার কি I'm from Kolaghat. My study life was started from KDAP High School, and then after 10th class, I joined Kola Union High School, and after that, now I'm a student of B Pharma in Debra Anand College of Education. I'm also a professional guitarist of a band, and I do some freelancing guitar playing some bands, and the name of our band is Sarvarna. There are many programs we performed here and there, like some mela ke fair, some fairs, some festivals, uh, puja, and we little bit we also do the marriage ceremony programs. We are the rock band, so uh, we don't have many programs. We have little programs, selected programs in selected areas, and also we um, choose to program in selected and town areas because uh, in the কি বলবো, ভেতরের দিকে ওটা নাম কি বলে? In the rural area, the peoples are don't uh, like or take the such kind of strategy or such kind of music because we perform the rock music or Bollywood based on Bollywood rock, this type of things, and some kind of blues. There was a program in the Malda town program, and it was the college auditorium of Malda College, Malda Medical College, and the program was 2 years ago. Sorry, 2 years, no, 1 year ago. It was in the June of 2023. There, it was not a program. It was a band festival. I mean, there are many kind of bands: the rock bands, folk bands, blues bands. That's all. And there was many guests were there, like the singer of the band Cactus, Sidhu, Siddhartha was there, and the guitarist of the Anjan Datta, Amit Datta, he also was there as a guest, and there that was a big opportunity for us to perform in front of them, and we was little bit nervous because of there are many famous guitarist, famous singers are there. famous মানে বাংলা একটু বলছি স্যার, মানে ওরা এমনই একজন ব্যক্তিত্ব যাদেরকে দেখে আমরা ইন্সপায়ার হয়েছি, তাদের সামনে আমরা পারফর্ম করছি। Then at first they provided us the drum kit, so we না মানে আমরা ঠিক করলাম আর কি। মানে we decided that we will go there by the train, so we took up our guitars, and there are at first I tell about my band. There are one drummer, three guitarist, and two singers, but that time there was one singer, only male singer. So we take our guitars and go out for the program, and after that at the 6 a.m. We all reached at the Kolaghat station, and after that we go to the Howrah station. Our train was at 8:50 a.m., and we reached at the station about 7:50. So there was a 1 hour time for কি বলবো, spend and enjoy the moments, and after that we all take some tiffins and get on the train. The train was uh, Howrah Kanakpur Express, and after that the train lived at the leave Howrah station and started to his কি বলবো
What is its destination?
Its destination. After that, uh, there was a little thing there that we were 6 members there to go Malda town, and it was a কি বলবো, মানে খুব মজা হয়েছিল এটাকে।
We make a lot of fun.
এটা আর একটু ভালো করে বলা যায় না।
We just yeah we had a lot of fun.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun, and in the train we had a lot of fun in the train, and the other passengers of the train was
Enjoying.
not enjoying, was watching as to what the people are doing. After 2 hours, when we reached at Bolpur Santiniketan, there was a কি বলে বাউলকে স্যার কি বলে ইংরেজিতে? বাউল। আচ্ছা, there was a বাউল who
Oh,
baul singer who was begging at the train with his কি বলে ওটাকে একতারা,
professional attitude.
professional attitude and aktara with aktara, and our singer, he was sleeping, he was sleeping at the on the moment, and our leader of, and also our leader is a guitarist, he called the baul and told him that we will also sing with him and let's enjoy. And after that he
The bowls they also like that.
Bowls also like that, and he came and joined with us. And after that, the guitarist take a guitar. There was many electric guitars and one of acoustic guitar. He take the acoustic guitar and started to play the guitar. Started to play the guitar. The
Whole passenger also came close.
whole passenger, at first whole passenger, it was June, the month was June,
Too much hot.
টু মাচ হট, মানে স্যার বাংলা একটু বলছি, মানে গরম, মানে এতটাই গরম লাগছে আপনাকে যদি ওখানে 15 মিনিট বসিয়ে দেওয়া হয় সাফোকেশন শুরু হয়ে যাবে।
I have
ট্রেনের ছাদ তো পুরো ছাদ দিয়ে কিছু নেই তো না,
going to Simla. It was a-
কিচ্ছু নেই, মানে গরম প্রায় 40-এর ওপরে চলছে তখন।
I know it. Then
অ্যাট দ্য টাইম দ্য প্যাসেঞ্জার্স ওয়ার ঝিমোচ্ছিল, ওটাকে কি বলে,
drowsy.
the all passengers were drowsing, and after that when the baul was singing at his own way, but when the কি বলবো guitar plays and the little one percussion was with us, little percussion like কি বলে ওটাকে ভুলে গেছি, জানি না ড্রামা, a little little percussion, when the guitar plays and percussion plays, whole passengers are awake. Ambience totally changed because of তারা ভাবছে হচ্ছেটা কি ওখানে।
Was going on in train.
হ্যাঁ,
The orchestra this we didn't know. Okay. Then
the also two compartments, the মানে কি বলবো সামনে পেছনে যারা কম্পার্টমেন্ট ছিল,
front side and back side.
front side and back side compartments, passengers also was there and started to sing with us, sing with us and taking the video. And after that after 40 minutes of singing,
40 continued.
Continue. বাউলি গান করছে, মানে সে মজা পাচ্ছে এটা করতে। After 40 minutes, because of we are going to Malda, so we also have some money, হাতে একটু টাকা ছিল, so we gave the bowl near about 500 rupees, and also the peoples of the train gave him, they also gave him. And after that we make some tiffin, and there was a funny moment that the every passenger had some মুড়ি ছিল, মুড়ি মুড়ি with them, biscuits or some tiffin, চিড়ে like that, but we had paratha, sweets, মানে প্রত্যেকের কাছে ভালো ভালো খাবার।
Delicious food was there.
Everyone has delicious food, and when we open our tiffin box, everyone is
Get the smell.
after that we make the lunch, and then unfortunately the rain come, and মানে একটা প্রচন্ড ভালো একটা জিনিস ফিল হচ্ছিল আর কি,
Different.
feel different because there the temperature was near about 40 degree.
So the rain was like a
Heaven.
yeah.
After that we uh, reached at Malda town near about 4 p.m. and then there was a four-wheeler was there to pick up us, and after that we go to Malda town auditorium, and after then we make the sound check, and our program was near about 8 p.m. Sorry, 8 no, 7 p.m. and then we started to make perform our program, and at first the auditorium was near about 900 peoples was there at first, and after that if মানে অডিটোরিয়ামটা যে একটু বলছি বাংলায়, মানে অডিটোরিয়ামটা নিচেটা যে ছিল মানে ওখানে 900 লোক এমনি বসেছিল, মানে ওপরের যে ব্যালকনিটা ওটা ফাঁকা ছিল, কারণ ওপরে না আরো স্টল টল হয়েছিল, অনেক রকমের হাতের কাজের স্টল বিষ্ণুপুর টিষ্ণুপুর থেকে এসেছিল। তো ওরা যারা ছিল ওরাও চলে এসেছে গান
He
শুনে।
also came to listen.
At first before to board on the stage we was little bit nervous, but the drummer our drummer was very confident, but he practiced so much little,
Yes.
মানে কি বলবো, মানে সব থেকে কম প্র্যাকটিস করে গেছে।
The confidence level was high.
Confidence level was high because of when he practiced or played the drum kit, there was 5 drum kit or 3 cymbals, and when he go to stage which drums was provided to him, there was 7 drum kit and lots of cymbals, লাইক মানে ও এমনই একটা ফিল পেয়ে গেছে যে মানে হাতে স্বর্গ পেয়ে গেছে এরকম একটা
Enjoy the moment.
enjoy the moment. And after that we was very nervous. The two guitarists, me and the other guitarist, the leader was very nervous, but when the drummer started playing like a pro, we were just shocked, what is he is doing. After that the singer started to sing, and they provided us 1 hour, but we were that's because we this that was the band festival, so there was many bands, a rock band up before us there was a rock band, but we make the sorry heavy metal band, and the we provide the Bollywood rock. So when we started to sing, then many people gather, and gather at the front of the stage and start to cheer with us, and then our energy level was
Getting high.
getting high, and after that we performed the program near about 2 hours. And after that when the singer was tired, he told that আমি আর পাচ্ছি না।
Cannot continue more.
হ্যাঁ, আই ক্যানট কন্টিনিউ মোর বিকজ যে সিঙ্গার থাকে তাকে প্রচন্ড এনার্জি দিতে হয় আর কি।
They was unable to.
The singer was unable to continue, and the drummer he was
Getting tired.
টায়ার্ড, মানে স্যার বাংলায় বলছি, ও যদি আর 15 মিনিট বাজাতো ওখানে সেন্সলেস হয়ে যেত,
Drummer also is.
এমন বাজাচ্ছে আর কি। সো আফটার দ্যাট they provided us the energy drink and we told that we have to end the program, and after that we end the program near about 9 p.m. and then they give us the tiffin. There was a unfortunate thing that the কি বলবো, মানে ব্যবহারটাই কি বলে? The behavior of the authority after program was not good, because of we reached at the Malda station near about 4 p.m. and then we get some tiffin, কেক খেয়েছিলাম, কেক, and when we কি বলবো, নামলাম স্টেজ থেকে, নামলাম কি বলবো,
Got down from stage.
got down from stage, the time was near about 9 p.m. and after that they provided us 2 luchi, some curry.
That is the
After that and ওই স্ট্রিং হয় না, স্ট্রিং এর বোতল কেউ খায় না, string and a water bottle, and the leader of our band was very angry and he told us to leave the place. মানে কি বলবো, ওই খাবারগুলো ছেড়ে দিতে বললো, তো খাস না বলে ওখানে রেখে দিয়ে চলে
Go
এসেছে।
from the side and take.
হ্যাঁ, and then ওই good মানে বেরিয়ে এলাম সেখান থেকে,
Come out from the place.
come out from the place, and there was a good thing happened that when we came out from the stage, there was also a band performing that time because of there is a band festival. So when we came out, we saw that the 70% people বেরিয়ে যাচ্ছে,
Come out from the.
কাম আউট ফ্রম দ্য হল বিকজ অফ, মানে এটাই সব থেকে বড় স্যাটিসফ্যাকশন যে আমরা নামলাম স্টেজ থেকে, দর্শক ভেঙে গেছে।
তারপরে প্রোগ্রাম ছিল।
তারপরেও হয়েছে দুটো ব্যান্ডের প্রোগ্রাম, নেই দর্শক, পুরো ফাঁকা। And after that we go to station and make some take some roti and tadka and get the food, and after that our train was Darjeeling Mail. We came back at,
Good train.
through Darjeeling Mail, and our train was Malda station at 11:55, and after that we
And release.
finally got on the train, and the time was at the night. So and মানে কি বলবো, বাংলা একটু বলছি স্যার, আমাদের 4 জনের একই জায়গায় সিট পড়েছিল, আর 2 জনের আলাদা। তো বাকি 2 জনের যে আলাদা সিট, না বাকি মানে কনফার্ম হয়ে গেছে, কিন্তু 4 জনের একই সঙ্গে পড়েছে, আর বাকি 2 জনের 2টো সিট আলাদা পড়েছে। তো সেই 2 জন যে আলাদা পড়েছে, ড্রামার আর সিঙ্গার। সো হোয়েন উই board on the stage, board on the train, then we slept at the train, but the drummer and singer was at the different compartment. So when the train reached at Sialda station, the time was near about 5:40 a.m. and then we all get up and train ঢুকে গেছে শিয়ালদায়। Train entered at Sialda station. We are try to call the drummer and the singer, but they don't pick up. And after 10 minute we মানে ওয়েট করা 10 মিনিট পরে আর কি, after 10 minutes waiting, we start to find them at the train compartment, and then we saw that the compartment was empty, but they two are sleeping.
We are tired actually.
And after that we came at Howrah station and take the train. একটা স্যার ফানি জিনিস বলছি, এখানে তখন স্যার আমের দাম যাচ্ছে